Welcome to this Windows and computer channel, and I've been asked by quite a few of you out there. Actually, there were a couple of comments on Windows 10 settings, and then a lot of viewers actually added as a comment, it'd be fun if you'd go through every setting or a lot of the settings that are in the Windows settings panel. So we will actually have daily videos, one or two every day for the next few weeks, going through some of these settings. And one of them, because it's a specific question also at the same time about the input and output sound of Windows 10 and managing all of that. So we're going to look at the Windows settings today, but we're going to look at the settings that have to do with sound. So go to your settings panel, either by going on the bottom right to the quick actions, or if you click the start button, you can go into the settings gear. Once you're here, you go into system, and on the left side you have sound. So one of the things that a lot of people have been asking me, first of all, is what is output and input? So output is anything that you listen to the sounds coming from your computer. It could be speakers, it could be USB headsets, it could be through a Bluetooth speaker, it could be through many devices. And in here, you have, of course, a list of devices if you have more than one. And you have, of course, device properties that are available where you can actually balance the left, right, choose the name of that device, you can disable it, and use spatial sound if you want. Now, that's everything that you will listen to. If you listen to sounds from your computer, from your games, from some music, from YouTube videos, well, it's the output of your computer. Below it, there's something called input devices. Input is everything that you can use to actually inject sound within your PC. Here you see, as I'm talking, my microphone is moving. There's some sound from my microphone, which is a microphone Realtek Audio USB here. And if you click here, there could be more choices. Depends on your computer. Often a laptop will have internal microphones also. Now, what if you don't see all of your sound devices? Is there a way to actually see more of what could be either disabled or not within this panel? Yes. You can click here, Manage Sound Devices, just below the Troubleshooting tab. Here you will see all the devices that are actually available from your computer. Now, you notice that when I clicked on the different tabs, so for example here in Input, there was no other choice than my microphone Realtek Audio USB. That's my personal choice. I don't want to have other microphones working on my PC because sometimes it messes up within certain software that I use. But you might have multiple choices. Now, you notice I got one, but I have actually other devices that are available. So if I manage sound devices, it's divided into output device, input device, and disabled devices. So disabled devices never show up in the settings. You have to click them and enable them for them to show up. So if I enable stereo mix, it's now added to input devices. Now I will actually disable it because I don't want to have that. Microphone array is actually the microphones integrated into my laptop. And you might have other devices like this. So you can actually either activate or disable them. So depending on what you want to do, you simply choose to enable or disable the different devices that are on your computer and leave them the way that you want. So that's where in Windows 10 settings you have the sound settings. And then you have advanced sound options. Advanced sound options gives you the different sound output input capabilities of the software or the apps that you use. Because there are apps, for example here OBS Studio, as you see on the bottom, that's my screen recorder. This is what I'm using right now to actually make this video. Well, it has its own output input capabilities. It is independent from the rest of the system if you want. So when you choose that, you can actually select which input or output device is associated with what software that you're actually using. So this is all the settings that you have on your PC for sound. Now there are more than that. Control panel has actually more capabilities, and that will come to it eventually. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.